Hi, this is Mark Hyde with Remax. Today we're out in Windermere and we're actually in the reserve at Lake Butler Sound. Beautiful gated community. Had the opportunity to come in here. I was previewing another property. So I wanted to show you the community, just have a little drive around, show you some of the beautiful homes that are available here. For more information on properties in the reserve at Lake Butler Sound, please give me a call directly, 407-832-7332, and you can also email me at markhyde@remax.net. But like I say, I was driving through, thought I'd take a nice little quick video, show you some of the beautiful properties that are available. Thanks again for tuning in. Hope to see you real soon. Just wanted to point out this one particular property, you may recognize it. It's the Versailles property by Jackie and David Siegel. Still under construction. It's going to be over 90,000 square feet and valued at probably over $100 million. So quite a home in this community. It's going to be spectacular when it's finished. Thanks again for tuning in. See you soon.